Hey there, savvy savers. If you're a Truist Bank customer and want to send money to friends and family as quickly as ordering a coffee, Zelle is the tool you need. Today, I'm walking you through the simple steps to set up Zelle with your Truist account. It's fast, secure, and super convenient. Let's get started. First off, make sure you have everything ready. You'll need a valid Truist Bank account, the Zelle app installed on your smartphone, and access to your phone number or email for verification. If you don't have the Zelle app yet, download it from your app store right now. Step 1. Open the Truist mobile banking app and log in with your username and password. Once you're in, navigate to the Transfers or Payments section. It's usually easy to find on the home screen. Step 2. Look for the Zelle option within the app. Tap on it, and if it's your first time, you'll be prompted to enroll. This is where Truist integrates seamlessly with Zelle, so follow the on-screen instructions. Step 3. Verify your details. You'll need to confirm your phone number or email address. Truist might send a verification code, so keep an eye on your messages or inbox. Once verified, your Truist account will be linked to Zelle. Step 4. Add contacts from your phone book or manually enter them. Now you're all set to send or receive money instantly. One quick tip. If you encounter any hiccups, like an error message, double-check that your app is updated or reach out to Truist customer support. Remember, always prioritize security by using strong passwords and enabling two-factor authentication. And there you have it. Zelle is now up and running with your Truist Bank. This setup can save you time and make payments effortless. If you found this helpful, hit that like button and subscribe for more banking tips. Thanks for watching, and see you next time.